Good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Morning,
Yeah,
sir.
Sir, I have a doubt in the last problem. You gave the homework, right?
yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. 1 second. Just tell me, is the board visible properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Even Charan is attending morning class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second. Okay. I hope the board is visible. Yeah. So last class, I had given a homework. What was the homework that I gave? The last problem, if I'm not wrong, 18, 15 and a half, comma 13, so on up to negative 47. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If it's not visible, please let me know. Okay. So here, as always, we have to find the first term, that is A, which is 18, and we have to find the common difference, that is given by A2 minus A1. What is your A2? 15 and a half. You can directly do it, or it's your wish. 15 and a half can also be written as 31 by 2, mixed fraction. 2 into 15 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. Minus your A1 is 18. This 18 can be written as 18 by 1. Take the LCM. The LCM is 2, isn't it? The LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. So to make it 2, I have to multiply it by 2. If I multiply it by 2, what do I get? 31 by 2 minus 18 2s are 36 minus 1 2s are 2. Now the denominators are same, you can subtract it. 31 minus 36 is minus 5 divided by 2. That should be the value of your D. This is your value of A. Is it clear? Yeah. Now, you don't know the position of this term, so you can take it as AN. So AN is equal to negative 47. And AN is given by A plus N minus 1 into D equal to negative 47. The value of A is 18 plus N minus 1. The value of D is minus 5 by 2 within the brackets, because N minus 1 is multiplied by D. This entire thing N minus 1 is multiplied by D. So put a bracket here, equals minus 47. The very first thing is you don't need this 18, correct? 18, we don't need it. Send it the other side. Remaining things as it is. N minus 1 minus 5 by 2 equals negative 47 plus 18. If you transpose itself, it become minus 18. Now, N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 equals minus 47 minus 18. So minus 47 minus 18 gives you how much? 55 minus 65, if I'm not wrong. Minus 65. And observe carefully, namge n value, first of all, minus 5 by 2 bekagilla. So if you send it that side, it will become the reverse. So n minus 1 equals minus 65 into ulta agate. That is minus 2 by 5 agate. So 5 ones are 5 13s are. And minus into minus will become plus. So n minus 1 is equal to 13 into 2 is 26. Send this minus 1 that side, it will become plus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 27. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. I'll just log in through the laptop again. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's go to the next type. Okay, what is the next type? Type number 4. Okay, finding the position of given term. Finding the position of a given term. Okay, finding the position of given term. Okay, it's not this. Yeah, now it's fine. What will be the question number? I have told you that we must continue with question number. What will be the question number?
10, sir.
Okay. So which term of the AP, 10th one, which term of the AP, which term of the AP 72, 68, 64, 60, so on up is 0. Which term of the AP 72, 68, 64, 60, so on up to is 0. Andre 0 yav position Okay, I might be audible now. Sorry, there was an issue, network issue. Yeah, I'll be audible now properly. Yeah. So we have to find which term of the AP is 0. Andre ee 0 yav position barutte anta kanidibekku. Which place it is. Okay. Same thing. It is exactly the previous main itself. Okay. So find the value of A, which is 72, and the value of D, that is A2 minus A1, which gives out 68 minus 72, which comes out to be minus 4. Now again, do you know the position of this? This is in first place, second position, third, fourth, but you don't know the position of this. That is what we have to find. So whenever you don't know the position, you have to assume it as AN. So your AN is 0. We don't know the position of this term, so I'm assuming it as 0. What is AN? A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 0. What's the value of A? 72. 72 plus N minus 1. The value of D is -4 within the brackets equal to 0. The next step is what? I don't need this 72. Transpose it. N minus 1 into -4 equal to 0 plus 72. This side will become minus 72. So you get N minus 1 into -4 equal to -72. Therefore, N minus 1 equal minus 72 by -4. I'm transposing this -4. So minus minus gets cancelled. 4 ones are 4 18s, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Therefore, N is equal to 18 plus 1, which comes out to be 19. N is equal to 19, Andre. This 0 belongs to which position? 19th position. Andre 0 is the 19th term of the AP. That is what is expected. So the 19th term of the AP is 0. Exactly similar like the previous type. where you have to assume this as an since you don't know the position and solve it. Okay, all these are very, very easy problems. I'll give 2 more problems. Please try it out. Five by six. I'm just giving you the AP. 5 by 6, 1, 1 by 6, so on. Which term of the AP 5 by 6, 1, 1 by 6, so on is 3. Okay, that's your 11th one. One more problem, 12th one. 21, 18, 15, so on is minus 81. Which term of the AP 21, 18, 15, so on is minus 81. Yes, please try it out. If you're finished, please let me know the answer. Okay. Okay, Sharon, good, good. Okay, what about the others? Jashod, Sinchana.
Sir,
Finished?
doing, sir.
Okay. What about Sinchana?
Doing, sir.
Okay. Okay. Risha, is it finished? 11th one. What's the answer?
Sir, it's 14.
14. Okay. What about Manikya?
14, sir.
Okay. So I hope everyone has got the same answer. If not, tell me, I'll wrote on the board. Okay. What about the 12th one?
35.
35, sir.
Okay, 35. That's good. Yeah, everyone has got same answer. So let's move on. Okay, this was your type 4. Okay, finding the position, which is same as finding the number of terms. Both are one and the same. Okay. The next one is type 5. Checking.
Sir, can you show the 11th one, sir?
11th one. Okay, let's do it quickly. 5 by 6, comma 1, comma 1, 1 by 6, so on up to 3, isn't it? It was 3. Okay. So your A value is 5 by 6. Your D is A2 minus A1. Your A2 is 1 minus 5 by 6. However, you cannot subtract it since it is fractions. So 1 can be written as 1 by 1. Take the LCM of 1 and 6. The LCM of 1 and 6 is 6. So you don't know 6. Since LCM is 6, you have to make this 6. This is already 6. So 6 in the multiply 6 by 6. Now subtract it. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 by 6. So your D is 1 by 6. Okay, now we don't know the position of this. So let's take it as AN. What is the formula for AN? A plus N minus 1 into D. So your A is 5 by 6 plus N minus 1. Your D is 1 by 6. Isn't it? Equal to 3. Now you don't want this 5 by 6. You don't want this 5 by 6. Send it the other side. So N minus 1 into 1 by 6 equals 3 minus 5 by 6. Here again, you cannot subtract 3 minus 5 by 6. You have to take the LCM. Again, 6 is the LCM, multiply by 6. You get 18 by 6 minus 5 by 6. The denominator goes 6, so numerator goes 6 multiply. So N minus 1 into 1 by 6 as it is. So 18 minus 5 is how much? 13. 13 by 6. So N minus 1 into 1 by 6 equals 13 by 6. The 1 by 6 nane aside transfer ulta agate 6 by 1 agate. N minus 1 equal to 13 by 6 into 6 by 1. 6 gets cancelled. So you're left with 13 minus 1 to the other side. That will become 40. Is it clear, Jashrut?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. The next one is checking whether a term belongs to the given AP. The next one is checking whether a term belongs to the AP. So it should be, if I'm not wrong, 13th one. Is it correct? Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Check whether 184 is a term of the AP. Check whether 184 is the term of the AP. 3, 7, 11, 15, so on. Check whether 184 is a term of the AP. 3, 7, 11, 15. This is also the same thing. See here, the concept is 184 enadru. If 184 is a term of the AP, then definitely we'll get its position. That is the N value. Okay, but if it is not a term of the AP, we won't get the N value. What do I mean by we won't get the N value? Last class I told you N value must be a natural number. It cannot be fractions, decimal, or a negative. So simple words, simple same thing. Find the value of N. Okay, find the value of N. If you're getting it as a negative, fraction, or a decimal, It doesn't belong to the AP. If you're getting anything else, it belongs to the AP. The first problem I'll do and show you. Your A value is 3. Your D value is 7 minus 3, which comes out to be 4. Now we don't know. We don't know whether it is a term of the AP. We'll assume it is a term of the AP. And I don't know the position, so let me take it as AN. Position ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ 194. ಈ 194 ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ as AN. A plus n minus 1 into D equals 184. A is 3. D is 4 equal to 184. So send that 3 to the other side. N minus 1 into 4 equals 184 minus 3, which is 181. So n minus 4 equals 181. Therefore, n minus 1 equal to 181 by 4. Okay, you can't divide it. Okay, let's send that minus 1 to the other side. N equals 181 by 4 plus 1 plus 1. So if you do the calculation, it will become 185 by 4. If you do the entire LCM process and if you get the answer, you get 180 by 4, which is a fraction. ನಾವೇನಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. So you are getting a fraction. Since you are getting a fraction, this term doesn't belong to the AP. Since n is a fraction, 184 is not a term. 184 is not a term of the AP 3, 7, 11, 15, so on. Yeah, you can write that. So let me give you exactly similar problems. Please do it. Sometimes you might feel, this is easy, we can do it, but in exams you will forget. So do it, even if you know it, please do it. Yeah, give me the next question. 14th one. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, so on. You have to check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, so on. You have to check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2. Okay. So there is it. Does it belong to the AP? Sorry.
Doing, sir.
Okay, doing. So people who have done, what was the value of n that you have got?
Minus 164 by minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Minus 164 by minus 3. Okay, so it's basically minus minus gets cancelled. So 164 by 3, again it's a fraction. Since you're getting the value of n as a fraction, minus 150 doesn't belong to the AP. But if you're getting any whole, any natural number like 25, 36, what we were getting in the previous problem, if you're getting like that, then it is a term of the AP. Okay, yeah. So I hope I need not do it. The next one is finding a term from the last. Finding a term from the end of the AP. Finding a term from the end of an AP. You're not finding it from the beginning, you're finding from the last. Okay, let's derive a formula for this, which makes the problem very easy. Okay, usually ಯಾವುದೇ term ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ you make use of an ಅಲ್ವಾ, a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, usually ಯಾವುದೇ term ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ this is what you do. Suppose you want 50th term, n ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, you will get that ಅಲ್ವಾ. So this is the general procedure. Let's assume an AP. Okay, 3, 6, 9, so on up to 99. If I ask you find the 20th term, easily you can use this formula. But I'm asking you to find the 20th term from the last, not from the beginning. I'm asking you to find the 20th term from the last. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, since I am asking you to find from the last, reverse the AP itself. 99, so on up to 9, 6 and 3. Since I reversed it, now it is like finding the AP from here itself. Is it correct? So you can directly do it using this formula, or let's derive the formula. What is the formula that I'm going to derive? Observe. An is equal to ನಿಮಗೆ origin, this was your original AP. ಈ original AP ಅಲ್ಲಿ this was your first term, this was your last term. Correct? Now the reversed AP is this. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತರ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿತ್ತು ಅದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಲ್. Because your first term, in place of your first term, your last term is there, and plus n minus 1. And if you observe carefully, what is the d here? Common difference is 3, if I'm not wrong. But since you have reversed it, reverse ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. 3 minus 6 is what? Minus 3. 6 minus 9 is also minus 3. So when you reverse it, the d will become negative. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ positive d ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, negative d ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Okay, so plus into minus is minus, e plus to e minus, plus into minus is minus, n minus 1 into d. So if you want to find any term from the last, this is the formula that we are going to use. L minus n minus 1 into d, where your L is the last term. Okay na? So ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, AP ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Just the derivation ಗೋಸ್ಕರ I reversed it and I have shown you. From now onwards, this will be our AP. We won't do any reverse. We'll directly use this formula and do it. Okay. Nth term from the end. Nth term from the end. You can take it as a note. Nth term from the end is given by L minus n minus 1 into d, where L is the last term of the AP. L is the last term of the AP. Now take down the question. Find the sixth term. Find the sixth term. Find the sixth term from the end of the AP. from the end of the AP. Find the sixth term from the end of the AP. 17, 14, 11, so on up to minus 40. Okay. So we know the formula. Nth term from the end is given by this formula. So we have to find sixth term, right? Sixth term from the end. Please don't write it as an. Let's write it in the statement itself. Sixth term from the end is equal to L minus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula. Your L is last term. Last term is what? Minus 40 minus your N value is 6 because you want the sixth term. So 6 minus 1. Your D value is actual value of this. 14 minus 17 is minus 3. We are not reversing it. Since we have derived the formula, we'll be using the original AP itself. We won't be reversing it. So minus 40 minus 6 minus 1 is what? 7 minus 3. So minus 40 minus into minus is plus, 7 3s are 21. So which comes out to be negative 19. Is it clear? Sixth term from the end. Yes.
Sir, in the first step, in the bracket, it is 6 minus 1, no, sir?
Yeah, I made a mistake. I took it as 7. 6 minus 1 is 5. So it will become 5 3s are 15. So add again how much it is? Minus 25. Minus 25. So very simple formula. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ itself. Okay, what is the general formula? A plus n minus 1 into d. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ AP ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ minus 40 so on up to 17 14 11 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು this is your first term. So a ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ minus 40 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ plus n sixth term ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 6 minus 1. What is your d value? Check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 11 minus 14. 11 minus 14 is minus 3. ಅವಾಗಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. minus 40 plus into minus is minus. 5 3s are 15. Okay. 6 minus 1 5. Okay, here you will be getting what? 11 minus 14 minus 3. Last time we did it correctly, right? 14 minus. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah. And since you have reversed, right? Since you have reversed, you must take it as positive. Okay, so it is positive. You'll be getting the same answer. Yeah, or you can use the direct formula here, L minus N minus 1 into D. Here I made a mistake. It should have been 11 14 17. Reverse ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ವಾ? Yeah. Now 17 minus 14 is 3. Oh, it's correct. Yeah. Yes, I'll give you another question. Find. This will be a 16th one. Find the 8th term from the end of the AP. Find the 8th term from the end of the AP. 7, 10, 13, so on 184. Find the 10th term of the AP, sorry, 8th term of the AP from the end. 7, 10, 13, so on up to 84. 184.
Recording in progress.
Yeah, I hope it is visible. Yeah. Finish? Is it finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So people who didn't get it, eighth term from the end again is given by the formula L minus N minus 1 into D. Your last term is 184 minus N minus 1. N is 8. So 8th term, 8 minus 1. Your D is 10 minus 7, that is 3. 184 minus 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 3s are 21. So it becomes 163 if I'm not wrong. Yeah. 163 is your
Yes, sir.
eighth
Yes,
term.
sir.
Okay. Okay, good. Let's go to the next type. One second. Okay. What will be the type number? 7, right?
Yes, sir. Type 7.
Type 7. Okay. Now all these times in your problem, okay, in your problem, they were giving you the A value and D value. Directly they used to give you, right? They were used to give you the AP. Easily you can find the value of A and D. But here in this case, from now onwards, they won't give you A and D. So in this problems, as I've told you in the last classes, if you want to find any term, yavade term kandidibekadru, you should know the value of A and you should know the value of D. But here in this problems which you're gonna do, they have not given both. So since two things are not there, A no illa, D no illa. So if two things are not there, definitely they would have given two hints. Our two hints na use madre, you will get two equations. Our two equations now will be solving it. Solving it andre will be finding the value using a method known as elimination method. Okay, some of you might be aware of it. Okay, Charan might be aware of it because we have already completed that chapter. Okay, so in pair of linear equation, okay, there is a chapter where there is a method known as elimination method. We're gonna make use of that here. Okay, so I repeat it again. Illi problem ali in this type, they have not given you the value of A, they have not given you the value of D. A no gottilla, D no gottilla. So you'll be getting two equations. Two equations no elimination method use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is the procedure. That's it. Okay, let's do that. So take down the question. I hope it is 17th one if I'm not wrong. The seventh term of the AP is -4 and the 13th term is -16. Find the 25th term. Find the 25th term. Okay, as you can see in last problems they used to give you the value of A and D. AP ne kodtidro, so easily you can find it. But here they have not given you the AP. AP kodlilla andre you cannot find the value of A, you cannot find the value of D. 1 second. Yeah. Now, how will we solve? As I said, you will be getting two equations. Hence, please observe. Even if you know what, please observe. Seventh term under A7. A7 is given as -4. Correct? A7 is given as -4. And the 13th term under A13. A13 is given as -16. We have to find the 25th term. This is what they've given. Now, please observe. Seventh term andre no A7 is equal to -4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ seventh term can be written as A plus 60. Yeah. Seventh term can be written as A plus 60 equal to -4. That's your equation 1. Next, ಅದೇ ತರ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 13th term is given as -16. What can this 13th term be written as? A plus 12D. ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ A ಇರುತ್ತೆ plus 1 less of this. 13 ಇದ್ರೆ 12D minus 16. That's your equation 2. So you got two equations. I'm going to solve it by elimination method. Actually, direct formula kuda ide, but we are not going to use the formula. Okay, it's not included in your NCERT, so I'm not going to use the formula. Ee tara idre D kanidiyake one direct formula ide. Let's not worry about it. A plus 12D equal to -16. Now please observe. Okay, the same thing is in the other chapter, so I'm not going to do there. Okay, so listen here itself. Here you got two variables. One is A, another one is D. Okay, one is A, another one is D. I said we are going to solve it by elimination method. Why is this name elimination method? Because totally there are two variables. Adralli one variable na complete agi eliminate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Why? Because it will be very easy. For example, if it is like this, 3 plus 2D equal to 9. Can I find the value of D easily? Yes, you can easily find it because there is only one variable. What will you do? Send this 3 that side. So it will become 9 minus 3. 2D equal to 6. Therefore, D is equal to 3. Easier kaniditira. But here the problem is you got two variables. So that is why we are going to eliminate one of the variables. And it's your wish. It's your wish. You can eliminate A or you can eliminate D. It's up to you. Now, what is the procedure? First, I will always eliminate A. The coefficients of A must be same. What is the coefficient of A here? What is the coefficient of A?
1.
1.
1, sir.
What is multiplied for A? 1. Here also the coefficient of A is 1. If the coefficients are same, no problem. But if the coefficients are not same, we have to make them same. For example, if you decide to eliminate D, ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ D ನ eliminate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ decide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ coefficient of D is 6, but here it is 12. Isn't it? You cannot eliminate it. So what should you do? You have to make them same. How will you make them same? 6 ಇದೆ 12 ಇದೆ. Take the LCM of 6 and 12. What is the LCM of 6 and 12? It is 12 itself. The LCM of 6 and 12 is 12 itself. So ನಿಮಗೆ LCM ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಇವೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾಗಬೇಕು. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 12 ಇದೆ, not a problem. ಈ 6 ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 12 ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2s. So you have to multiply the entire thing by 2. You have to multiply the entire thing by 2. That is how you do it. So if we get such problems, we'll do it. Okay. Anyhow, we are eliminating A alva. So here also the coefficient is 1. Here also the coefficient is 1. Not an issue. And if you observe, both are same thing. This is also positive 1. This is also positive 1. If the signs are same, illu positive 1 ide, illu positive 1 ide, then you have to change the sign throughout. If the signs are same, you have to change it. If the signs are different, don't change it. For example, illenadru positive 1 iddu, illenadru negative 1 iddidre, you can proceed directly. You need not change the sign. But since both have got same sign, plus and plus, you have to change. Athwa minus and minus idrenu change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ sign ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ change ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So plus and plus ಇದೆ, same sign, so change it. Plus will become minus, again this plus will become minus, this minus will become plus. So plus 1a minus 1a gets cancelled. Here it is positive, the new sign is negative. So opposite signs you have to subtract it. 12 and 6 is 6. 12 is the bigger number. Adikiro sign yavadu minus. You have to observe the new sign, minus. So minus 60 equal to, illu ashte minus ide plus ide, you have to subtract it. 16 al 4 hodre 12. 16 is a greater number, adike positive sign ide, so it is plus 12. Therefore, D equal to 12 divided by minus 6. 6 ones are, 6 twos are. Therefore, D equal to, you can get this negative to the numerator. D is equal to minus 2. So you got the value of D. So I repeat it. Coefficient same ಇರಬೇಕು, same ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ same ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ same sign ಇದ್ರೆ change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Throughout change ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Different sign ಇದ್ರೆ you can proceed directly. Okay, you will get the value of D. Now how will you find A? Simple, take any of the equation. I'll take the first equation. A plus 6D equal to minus 4. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ D value ನ substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. A plus 6, D value is minus 2. So 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. Plus into minus is minus, 6 2s are 12 equal to minus 4. Therefore, A is equal to minus 4 plus 12, which gives out A value is 8. As I said, ನಿಮಗೆ A value, D value ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ you can find any term you wish. So 25th term easier ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬಹುದು. 25th term is A plus 24D. Your value of A is 8. 24D is minus 2. So 8 minus 48, which comes out to be 40. That's your 25th term. Is it clear? So when you don't know the value of A and D, you will get two equations. Solve by elimination method, you will get the value of A and D. Once you get the value of A and D, you can find any term you wish. Yeah, is it clear? Please do it. I'll give you certain problems now. If you finish, just wait. And when I'm explaining, please don't write it, okay? Here and there, somewhere you might learn a new trick or something. Please don't copy it. The coefficient same ಇದೆ. That is the first thing you have to check. Same ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. Same ಇದ್ರೆ, and if the signs are also same, change the sign. Signs ಏನಾದ್ರು different ಇದ್ರೆ, plus and minus ಇದ್ರೆ, don't change it. Proceed further. Plus and minus ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ cancellation ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. Since you have changed the sign, you have to observe the new sign. Here it is minus, here it is plus. So ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ sign ಆಯ್ತು. Subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೂ minus ಇದೆ, the new sign is plus. So ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ sign ಇದೆ, subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And remember, whenever you subtract, you must give the bigger number sign. Okay, I hope everyone has written the question. I'll give you the next one. Meanwhile, others can try it. The 7th term is minus 1. The 7th term is minus 1. And the 16th term, and the 16th term is 17. 16th term is 17. Find the 31st term. I've given you the next one. Yeah, the 7th term of the AP is minus 1. 16th term is 17. Find the 31st term. Exactly similar problem. Try to do it. Okay, is it finished? Okay, good.
So the answer is 47.
Now tell me first the value of A and D.
So A is minus 13 and D is 2.
Okay, A is minus 13 and D is 2. Minus 11, minus 9. Yeah, that's correct, I guess. Yeah. D is 2, that's also correct.
Sir, I am getting D is equals to minus 2.
You would have done some mistake in the calculation. Just check. Minus 2 is not possible. It's possible when A value is positive. But let's check it out. Seventh term is minus 1, and you would have got A plus 60 equal to minus 1. And 16th term is 17, and A plus 15D equal to 17. Now observe, both are having same coefficients, plus 1 and plus 1. Change the sign, minus, minus, and a minus gets cancelled. If you observe here it is positive, here it is negative. So you must subtract it. 15 minus 6 is 9D with the negative symbol, because 15 is the greater number and it has got negative sign. You have to observe the new symbol, new sign. And here also, here it is minus, the new sign is also minus. Since both are same sign, you must add it. So minus 18. Therefore, D equal to minus 18 by minus 9, where your minus minus gets cancelled. 9 ones are 9 twos are. Therefore, the value of D is 2. Take this D and substitute in the equation 1, you will get your A value, which is minus 30. Then you can find the 31st term. Yeah, that's correct. Your 31st term, what will be the 31st term?
47.
47. Okay, 47. That's the answer for the. I'll give one more problem. You can take it as a homework and try it, but do it in the book which you're doing. So written the answers for the 18th one. I hope there is no doubt. Let's go to the 19th one. Again, if this the seventh term of the AP is, the seventh term of the AP is 1 by 9, 1 by 9, and the ninth term, and the ninth term, and the ninth term is 1 by 7, 1 by 7. Find the 63rd term. I'll also give you answers for your verification. Okay, you should get the value of A as okay, you should get the value of A as 1 over 63, and D also same thing, 1 over 63, and you should get the value of 63rd term as 1. So I repeat, A should be 1 by 63, D should also be 1 by 63, but the 63rd term you should get it as 1. Okay, I've also given you the answer for your verification. You can do it. So that's it for the day, guys. If you finish, you can leave. And if you got any doubts, you can clarify it. So yeah, guys, that's it for the day. So I've given you the last question also. Try it out. Okay. Next class, we'll continue with some more problems. Did everyone get the answer for the 18th one? D as 2 and A as -13 and the 31st term as 47.
Yes, sir. We got 47.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good. If you've got it, excellent.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So remember, to find anything, any term, you want to have A and D value. If you don't know both, A no ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ D no ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಎರಡು equation ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, like for example A ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ D ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅಥವಾ D ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ A ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, you will get one equation. ಆ one equation ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. If you solve it, you will get the answer.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yeah, bye. You guys copy the question? Is it done?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, could we do with the formula? We had,
Sorry?
our teacher in our school had taught with the formula, sir. AP by AQ.
For this, there is a formula, you know. TP minus TQ divided by P minus Q. Yeah. But nowhere in your NCRT that formula is there. There's direction. You can also do it, not an issue. In your final exam also you can do it. Why I taught this method was because again I have to teach the same thing in elimination method.
Okay.
So one day really I'm reducing my efforts. That's it. I did not teach there again and again.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, well. So Mandeep and Jashut, can I end the meeting?